Hello, this is Oluwatunseyi channel. You're welcome. If you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, like, share, comment on my videos, and once you subscribe, click the post notification bell so that once I upload a new video, you will be notified. Today, I'm going to be starting a cooking series. So, as part of our cooking series, we're going to be frying some eggs with this basic recipe. I have an onion bulb here. Eggs, this is going to be the main ingredient. I have vegetable oil here. Of course, we will not be using oil, we'll not be needing everything because it's not too good to consume too much oil. And here is our pepper, our scotch bonnet, our bell pepper. This is salt. You can use any salt of your choice. This is a table salt, NaCl. You can use potassium chloride, sea salt, anyone that fits you or that is of interest to you. So over to the preparation. Okay, so to wash. This has been washed before. So going to peel our onion. And it depends on you. You can use a half of this. But I'll use all. I'll use everything. So right now, we're going to do some chopping. If you like, you can use a fork to hold the pepper as you chop. You can also wear your disposable gloves if you don't want your hands to come in direct contact with the pepper. Cut it in bits. If you want it to be bigger, well, the choice is yours. And so if you want to use your finger, you can just, if you want to use your hands to hold the pepper, you just do this. But I think it's better to use the fork. To discard this. So now we're going to be cracking our eggs. So let's clear this. We're going to crack our eggs now. This is 1/8 of a teaspoon. So it's not advisable to eat too much salt. So I think this is just okay. Then we're going to whisk it. Perfect. Whisking. So right now I'm going to put all this chopped pepper and onion right here. You may decide to fry it before putting the egg finally, but I think I prefer this. Put everything and let everything be sandwiched in your egg. So we'll move over to our cooker now. Yes. This has been rinsed. So it's dry. This is 1 teaspoon. I'm going to put 2 of this. It's not too advisable to consume too much oil. So you can use any vegetable oil of your choice. And here is our egg. Okay. I'm just using a medium flame, so it's not too high, to getting your egg burnt. So I just want to cover this a little for like a minute or less than a minute. I just want the whole thing to heat up a little. Yeah, so we are good. That is all. Fried egg is ready. It's always advisable to fry your egg very well. Make sure it is properly fried, or if you are cooking it, make sure it is properly cooked. So this is our fried egg and it's ready. Thank you for watching. If you're yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment on my videos. Bye for now, and I'll see you in my next video.